Bonjour et bienvenue. Let's start our lesson 3, the French countings. These countings are different from those of English, but a little practice can make you perfect at it. This is part 1 in which you will learn countings from 1 to 50. In the next part, I will teach you the other half of countings. So let's start. 1 is called as un in French. Un. Listen carefully. Un. 2 is the. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 as six. 7 as sept. 8 as huit. 9 as neuf. 10 as these. 11 as onze. 12 as douze. 13 as treize. 14 as quatorze. 15 as quinze. 16 as seize. 17 as dix-sept. 18 as dix-huit. 19 as dix-neuf. 20 as vingt. Here you can see 17 is these, that is 10, sept, that is 7. Combine both of them and it becomes dix-sept. Similarly dix-huit, similarly dix-neuf. Let's repeat it. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. Moving to our next part. 21. 21 is called as vingt-et-un. You must have noticed 20 is vingt and 1 is un. So combine them and it becomes vingt-et-un. ET is pronounced as A and it is and in French. And in English and A in French. Similarly combine all of them. 22 vingt-deux, 23 vingt-trois, 24 vingt-quatre, 25 vingt-cinq, 26 vingt-six, 27 vingt-sept, 28 vingt-huit, 29 vingt-neuf, 30 trente. 30 is trente. Moving on, 31 trente-et-un. 30 is trente, 1 is un. Combine them, trente-et-un. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Moving on, 41. 41. 40 is 40, 1 is un. Combine 41. 42 42, 43 43, 44 44, 45 45, 46 46, 47 47, 48 48, 49 49, 50 50. Repeat after me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Keep on practicing and you will learn it very easily. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more of such videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.